All right, so I will be explaining the excitation contraction sequence. So to start off, it's the exon terminal. And that is the end of an exon that releases neurotransmitters to transmit signals to the other cells. So it goes down and transmits. The second is ACH, is a neurotransmitter, a chemical messenger that transmits signals between neurons and other bodies. So it goes to the different ones. And the next is action potential. It's a rapid sequence of changes in the voltage across a membrane. And so it goes up and then down. The next is plasma lemma, and that's a picture of a plasma lemma. It acts as a physical barrier between external environment and an inner cell organelles. Then we have neuromuscular junction, which is the connection between terminal end of a motor nerve and muscle. So it shows the difference between the nerve and the muscle. The next is T-tubules. They're all bonded together. It's the conversion of action potentials into muscle contraction. So it helps, this is what contracts. The next is we have the sarcoplasmic reticulum, also the SR, the muscle contraction and relaxation by releasing and storing calcium ions. So it goes through there. The next is DHP and RYR receptors. It's the proteins that work together to enable excitation, contraction, coupling in muscle. So this is the picture. Then we have tropin and tropomyosin. Here you go. Here's the tropin and the tropomyosin. It's to regulate muscle contractions. So they both help regulate everything. Then next we have actin and myosin. So up here, this is the actin, the little ball, and the myosin is right here. And it generates force and movement in cells. They both do that. Then we have the circa, which is this like weird guitar shaped thing. It's the pump that transports calcium ions from cytoplasma into the SR, the sarcoplasmic reticulum. And last we have ATP, which is produced through biochemical reactions known as cellular respiration. And that is the excitation contraction sequence.